Footwork in the Ekgun. As you might have guessed, there are different speeds at which you can perform this footwork, or tatkar. This is where the concept of laya comes in. Laya or laya refers to the tempo or the speed of a piece. Now this can be defined as the number of beats or matras in a specific time period or the time between two matras. The three simplest layas are the Ekgun, the Dugun and the Chogun, although many different generalizations come later. The Ekgun, Ek meaning one. So for one matra, you have one count. It goes like this. Dha, din, din. Dha, dha, din, din. Dha, dha. Tin, tin. Ta, ta. Din, din. Dha, dha. We're going to try this with the feet and the music.